I had a premonition, a revelation so clear in wisdom. Stand with me, sing with me in love and light.
December 4th, 2016.
A vision from above, from around and below the river flows. From the rain it falls and from the earth it grows. Springs to rivers and rivers to tributaries. This is where our ancestors are buried. This is where our babies are carried. This is our Mama Gaia, our mother, our one and only promised provider. Hold my hand and your neighbor's hand as we lie in her grass, gaze at her skies. Keep your eyes peeled because this fantasy is no lie. This is our shared reality beyond yours and mine.